Water beads and chips left on engine parts after washing, still blown off by hand, one part at a time, with an air gun. 3 pits of manual air blow. It misses spots, blind holes and cavities a handgun can't reach. Leave water and chips for the next process. Standards vary, time and angle differ per person, so cleanliness swings. And it's loud and wet. Standing in mist and high-pressure air all day is harsh and unhealthy. This cell uses a collaborative robot with an air knife, blowing each point along a programmed path. Angle, dwell, and pressure all consistent, reaching blind holes and cavities at preset positions every time. The robot covers every cleaning point in order. Nothing missed, nothing redundant. For stable, reproducible cleanliness, so downstream assembly and inspection are no longer blocked by leftover water or chips. With vision or fixture alignment, incoming variation is compensated automatically, keeping the air knife aimed at each point, stable and reliable. The payoff is real. Cleanliness consistently on spec. Downstream rework and contamination drop sharply. Both shifts run continuously, and workers leave the mist, noise, and high-pressure air environment. Changeover is simple. Drag to teach plus templates mean a new part or point set is just a program change. Mixed variants still cleaned right. From water to chips, a collaborative robot turns cleaning and air blow into a consistent, no blind spot, flexible standard process. This is EVST. We make line automation real.